Hi, it's Steve. Today we'd like to show you how to change the crisper cover frame on your refrigerator. It's a really easy repair. Let me show you how we do it. Now, to do this repair, we'll begin by opening up the fresh food door. We'll remove any items that are in those lower crispers and then take the crispers out. Simply lift up, pull them forward until they come up against their stop, and lift it again and pull them completely out. The drawer that is on the hinge side will be a little tighter to remove. So you need to make sure that you can open the door fully. Again, we'll set that aside. Now next, we'll reach in underneath and lift up on the crisper cover glass. Pull that forward and carefully set that aside. Next, we'll lift up on the frame, pull it forward. You may need to tilt it up to clear the interior liner on that fresh food door. Then we'll just close that up momentarily. We can discard the old frame along with the center support arm. Now you'll note that the replacement frame has a built-in divider which is placed so that the small crisper is on the right-hand side. We'll just reverse the procedure. Set the frame back completely against the back wall. We'll replace the crisper cover glass. Push it back all the way until it sits down into the recessed area. We can now replace the crisper drawers, keeping in mind that the narrow one is now forced to go to the right-hand side. Be sure that it's pushed all the way back in place. Repeat the procedure for the one on the left. Ensure that they slide freely. Push them both completely back. We can close the refrigerator door up, and your repair is complete.